What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And started the day kind of late, so I don't know how much daylight we'll have. And I got some new parts today, but let's look at the new brackets real quick. And so they've been curing for about 2 days now, and it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully, going back to the video, I noticed that the rust started coming out again because I think because I left it there when I went to the store. So it started converting back to regular rust. So hopefully it doesn't eat through the paint fast. Hoping this will last at least a couple of months or something before I do have the funds to go get this powder coated, because I do eventually want to do that. I think it'll last longer, mainly with the sandblasting. But for now, they look great, and I'm gonna put them on. So I took the fiberglass bumper off and I picked up a brand new Kouki rear bumper. So they still make these in stock. Toyota does, brand new. Not really sure how much they have left, but here's the part number if you want to check it out. Get it from Toyota. And of course I picked this up from Jacob as well. Jacob Shock the Mob. I'll have his link in the description below, so go ahead, check that out. And yeah, so it's great. Let's open it up and check it out. So let me open it up and I'll get back to you guys. So here's the brand new Kouki bumper, and I'm still planning to get another one for the hatch because it is a Kouki hatch as well, even though I have a Zinky front, but it's all right. It's not a big deal. Here are some other part numbers if you're interested in that, and these are all nice and clean and brand new. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that they came with the bracket tabs already. I was kind of worried about like where could I source these, so it's pretty cool. I don't have to use the ones I have for the brackets. That's awesome. So they don't have any screws, so I'll have to figure something out. But look at this, perfectly intact tabs. Kind of makes me not want to do that. I'm gonna hold on to these though, because this bag is nice to put like extra bumpers and package them that way. Look, it comes with the bracket. That's pretty cool, huh?
I saw that.
Oh, I wish it came with screws though. Probably asking too much though. Alright, so I got the brackets in, and kind of sucks because it scratches it when you put it in, so that's probably why these things rust so easily. But it's in, and the paint's kind of thin, so definitely gonna have to powder coat them in the future to have them a little more scratch resistant, but it looks good. Gonna get some bolts and bolt these in, and then put it on the 86. Okay, so I got some bolts right here, and hopefully they fit. So they're not the prettiest bolts either. But seems like they're working. All right. Okay, so that wasn't too difficult. Kind of had a little issue with these top ones because it kind of lines up weird, but it's in now with the bolts. So let's go ahead and try put on the car now. Oh, let me open the trunk. Okay. clear all this junk out. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on. Move, bud. Okay, so I got the bumper on, and it's held on by JDM screws, zip ties, just for now, because I have that bucket, but it doesn't really have everything. I might order the one on eBay. It's kind of like all the zinc coated ones, and it's supposed to be like everything you need. But yeah, it looks good. So my car has been rear-ended once, very minor, but as you can see, it's caused like a very big gap here in the back, and it's like almost like an inch here to there. So I'm probably gonna have to pull this whole panel down and forward to get this straightened out, or I could just say leave it, but it's gonna bother me. So I'm gonna have to probably pull this down. If I can't do it, maybe I'll take it to a body shop or something. I don't really know any around here, so. But as you can see, even like the tail lights here don't line up as well anymore. There's like a gappage here, so that kind of sucks. So yeah, probably gonna have to pull this out. I wish they still made these rear panels, but it's like impossible to find one, and if you do find one, it's almost like $2,000, which is not really worth it in my opinion for that. But yeah, it's on and it looks great. So looking at the light, I might only have time for just the rear bumper today. We'll see if I could put the front bumper on as well, but it looks really good. You can see HKS makes the exhaust perfectly for the Kouki rear bumper as well. But yeah, everything looks good. Just gonna fix this rear panel to be a little better. And I put these on because I was missing them for so long, but I actually realized I had some in storage, so pretty cool. These are probably from this car, so I just put these on as well, and they're not fully on yet. I don't know about this part, might not be able to get that, and I'm just gonna leave it because I don't really want to have to deal with that. I just want this to be on, so it'll be complete. At least the front I'm not gonna worry about, so it's gonna look kind of weird with just the rears, but it's okay. And I put this side on as well, so at least the trim is there. I don't really want to spend the time to delete the trim, so I'd rather just put the trim on the rears and then not have it any on the front, so that's okay. But look at this paint, it's still decent, and this is just a cheap crappy paint job that I did like maybe a few years back, but it's like a single stage, so you can see it's still pretty good. But all right, let me try to hurry up and do the front too, so we get the fronts on as well. Okay, I really need to get hardware, guys, because I don't have any hardware, but using zip ties again to mount the brackets, and it's just for now anyways, because I just want to mock everything up, kind of see how everything looks like. And so let's go ahead and put on the front bumper now. Okay, so hopefully it's not too dark to see now, but got the front bumper on as well. Everything's held on by zip ties, guys, so it's all right. It's just to kind of mock everything up. I have to take everything off to get repainted anyways. But yeah, the front bumper looks amazing. You do have these little gaps here, but you need the eyelids for it. As you can see, it covers it up when you have this grill on, and it's actually not supported yet, so should be up like that. I think the only gap that the 11 has is between the hood here. There's like maybe ½ inch gap that goes up, and but other than that, everything lines up really well. These are the Group A fenders. They're fiberglass, and they're actually really made to quality in my opinion. I've spoken with some people that aren't too big a fan of these, but I like them personally. I think they're great and they come at an affordable cost, so I would definitely order them again. And yeah, so this is it. Let me close the hood. Okay, man, looks amazing. I'm gonna have to show this again in the daytime, so I'll probably record tomorrow. This side, the tab is kind of broken, so I can't zip tie it. But let's do a 360 walk around with the rears. Oh man, yeah, everything is finally coming together. There's still a lot of parts to come, guys. I'm not done yet, and like I said, I'm gonna put everything on. It's not gonna be on permanently, and so I probably won't be able to drive the car because everything's held on by like zip ties, but I want to be able to see how the whole car is gonna look like and then disassemble everything before I paint it. Next thing I plan to get is, I don't know, what else is there? There's probably tail lights. I don't really like these. I know the 11 ones are just these US ones with the white line here, and they're called white lines, but not a big fan of those. And to me, it doesn't matter, trueno, Kouki, or Kouki to Zenki. I mean, everybody does it, and some people, they don't like doing that, but it doesn't really bother me. But yeah, so that's gonna be it, guys. I didn't get that much done today because of daylight, and but we're gonna have to assess this a little bit more. I knew it was bad, but I didn't think it was this bad because I've always just been able to fix it with fiberglass and kind of fill in this gap. But probably got to address this a little bit better because I didn't think the gap was going to be this much when I put an OEM bumper on, and I've never done that before. So but yeah, so maybe in the next video we'll actually address this and do some body work to the back to close up this gap. And I have some stuff coming in for this car still. There's still a lot of stuff that I'm still getting for it, so stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, peace.